very easy to install and use. I have used this service several times, and even when I can in number 39, T-Connect, I can contact support and the problem is resolved immediately. I use this service every time. The connection to both Dubai and Abu Dhabi was smooth and easy. I was staying for exactly 3 days, and the 3-day plan is perfect for users who occasionally want to watch videos or listen to music. 1.5 gigabytes per day is more than enough. There in number 39, usually a 5 to 10 second delay, but I in number 39, am not sure if that in number 39, just how it is locally. At least it worked fine in the desert area where I was sandboarding, which I in number 39, am very grateful for. Smile. The internet service is excellent and fast. The signal is strong in both Dubai and Abu Dhabi. I was a little skeptical at first, but then finally bought the eSIM for my one-day trip to Abu Dhabi. Excellent prices. Installed it within 3 minutes before departing my home country. Landed and just switched on the eSIM apps, voila. Got data for 24 hours. Go for it. I quickly bought these things because I had to make a last-minute decision to go to Abu Dhabi for a connecting flight. eSIM works as advertised. Quite satisfied. Easy installation, stable network, diverse solutions and reasonable prices are all great. It worked without any problems, and thanks to it, my trip went smoothly. I use it all the time. It in number 39, easy to set up and is a great value for stays of a week or more. I was worried about whether the setup would go well, but I prepared in advance so there were no problems. The signal has been smooth and I in number 39, they've been able to use it without any interruptions. I thought I in number 39, be using it a lot, walking around town, transferring between subways, etc., so I was right to apply. Used in Abu Dhabi, easy to use just by scanning the QR code. There was no problem with poor reception, so it was very convenient. If it supports eSIM, I would definitely recommend it. Easy to buy and to use using barcode. eSIM more convenient. Great for dual SIM phones, no physical hassle. eSIM made business trips abroad much easier.